Mural isn't art for art's sake. It's art for your sake. Art for every emotion. Art for inspiration. Art for exploration and interesting conversation. Mural is art for ever-changing tastes and those certain moments worth framing. It's over 30,000 iconic pieces in a beautifully crafted wooden frame for you to fall in love with again and again.
Are you a true beer lover and do you want to craft and brew your own beer at home? With this mini brewery, you can professionally brew your own beer within 2 or 3 weeks. With the Mini Brew app, I ordered this Hopfenweizen brew pack from the Brothers-in-Law brewery, one of my personal favorites. You can simply scan the QR code with the Mini Brew app and then it will guide you through all the steps of the brewing process. Because it's number 1, we put this in tube number 1. There we go. The brew process is starting. The next step is the fermentation process, which for this beer takes about 2 weeks. Cleaning. Well, the Mini Brew Craft takes care of that. You simply attach a cleaning device and the machine does the rest. Easy, right? It's been 2 weeks. Time to taste. Remember, there's many different beers that you can brew with the Mini Brew Craft. And because you drink it straight from the smart keg, it's impossible to have fresher beer than this.
Introducing Zoom for Home D10Me, your personal collaboration device perfect for the home and office. It packs real collaboration into a perfectly sized device for your desk or tabletop. We've worked closely with Zoom to offer a brand new Zoom for Home experience, allowing anyone to deploy a powerful all-in-one communication solution for video meetings, phone calls, interactive whiteboarding, annotation, and the D10Me can be used as a second monitor. One touch to start Zoom meetings, place a phone call, or launch the whiteboard. Illustrate ideas and annotate instantly. Keep your desk organized and clutter-free. The Zoom for Home D10Me replaces the need for desk phone, webcam, microphone, speakers, extra monitor, whiteboard, and all of those messy cables. Increase participation and engagement using real immersive collaboration. Easily share content. Use whiteboarding to illustrate your ideas. Mark up documents and presentations in real time. Just plug it in and it just works.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
あなたにお会いできて光栄です。
Tell me more about your process here.
私どものプロセスは複雑でビジネス形態を深くご理解いただく必要があります。
Our process is complicated and requires a deep understanding of our business.
Hey guys, I'm a little lost. Can you point me in the direction of the beach?
Salut les gars, je suis un peu perdu. Pouvez-vous me pointer en direction de la plage? What food do you want to eat?
My grandfather says the tom yum is the best in the world.
ปู่ของฉันบอกว่าต้มยำเป็นสิ่งที่ดีที่สุดในโลก
Your daughter's a delight to have in class.
ابنتك هي متعة في الصف.
شكرا، ابنتي تحب أن تكون في صفك.
Thank you, my daughter loves being in your class.